Namaskar, Namaste. Once again, this is your Papan Bhai, CMA H. Padmanabhan, Council Member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. So, after my previous video, we have again received a lot of phone calls, chat, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, and whatnot. Definitely, I can understand the anxiety. First of all, thanks to each and every one of you for watching the video and also giving me some more suggestions, ideas, and points that need to be considered, and also appreciating that we are coming through the YouTube channel, right? And the main request is many of the student friends of new friends of CMA Institute, CA Institute, CS Institute have requested me to come on live. Yes, I am also ready to come on live, and you are having the freedom to ask questions also. If I know the answer, definitely I will answer. Otherwise, rest assured, each and every your point will be noted and it will be definitely put up for consideration, right? So, the date, time, mutually convenient time can be decided. You please let me know, right? So, the second thing is now let us congratulate and thank our Institute of Company Secretaries of India, the elected representatives from President to Vice President to each and every one of them. As I told you earlier that they are with the students and appropriate decision will be taken. And they have taken a very good decision with a hope that in August everything will be all right, with a hope, right? August 18th onwards they have decided. It is a good thing. So other institute also can follow and definitely others will follow because we are all with the students only. The president, the vice president and elected representatives of all the three institutes, like I earlier told, are definitely with and for the students only. Now, a lot of questions have come and questions from my own dearest student friends, and many of them I have not met, but have become very close friends of mine because of social media. The CMA 2019 passed outs. They were telling that you are always coming live or in the YouTube, Facebook live or otherwise only for the existing students. कुछ ना कुछ हमारे लिए भी बोलो सर करके. Yes. Today first I start with that. The passed out students of the December 2019 CMA examination, they were eligible to join for orientation program. And we organized the same also. Those who paid the requisite fees, we organized. Because of this present situation, considering the direction by the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Chief Ministers of various states, union territories, health department, the institute took a conscious decision taking into account your health, the health of the officials, health of the faculty members. We were forced to close or stop that offline orientation program classes, right? And you also remember Honorable Vice President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, CMA Biswarup Basu sir, who is also Chairman of T&DF and Placement. He has sent a direct communication to you all, enquiring your health to be stay safe and stay blessed. And one exclusive webinar also was conducted. Now you are all demanding for online courses, right? So the institute has taken a decision that 12 days online classes will be there for a time period of 2 hours per day. It will be from 16th June to 27th June. This also, as per your request only, we have contacted all eminent faculty members across India, and they have also accepted our request, and the timings will be from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Again, this particular time schedule, majority of you, my dearest student friends, you have requested me that either we got some job or we are working from home or we are doing some other courses. So kindly don't do it in the morning or other timings, sir. So as per your request only, we have gone for that. I am only worried about your GB, that package which you have. I know you all are enjoying watching movies, learning some other online classes, or listening to music or playing games also. So my humble request is some GB please spare it for this 12 days online classes. You know, through me, some people have come to know and put it in WhatsApp, right? Or social media for that matter. Now, many of the passed out students who did not join for orientation program, they also started demanding, sir, at that time we had some other work or some this or that, we could not join. Now that we don't have job or we want to shift for some better job or we have time that we are at our home only or hostel only. So kindly, why don't you permit us also? Yes, the institute has taken a decision to permit all the passed outs. My only request is the email will come to the inbox of orientation program already paid students and you also. And if you feel that it is a great service in disseminating or sharing the link with your student friends, maybe CMA final students or previous already qualified ones who are yet to get well placed, or CA final students or CS final students. Why I am telling this is, I have suggested Microsoft Team app wherein the capacity is 10,000. The passed out students of CMA 2019 batch is somewhere around 1500, right? Similarly, those who have paid for orientation program is coming to hardly 750, some that range. So it will be a great gesture if you can share that link with other student friends also or your own close ones who can benefit from this. Why I am telling this is, this 12 days we have arranged in such a manner, you will have session on how to face the interview, how to prepare for GD, how to write your own CV or biodata, you call it in a better manner. Then there are practical aspects on cost accounting and cost records. There are classes on practical aspects on direct taxation, practical aspects on corporate laws, practical aspects on indirect taxation. Then introduction to the IBC, introduction to the valuation, and so many other things we are trying to include in these 12 days. This is only a beginning. I am telling you, this is only a beginning. More such a series, if you are interested, you have benefited from this forthcoming 12 days courses. If you feel so, you can again write to us. We will try to and definitely ensure that we will conduct after say 1 month or 2 months also. We are also in touch with some of the companies. Of course, some companies, as you all know, they have gone for layoff and present employees are also requested to go out because of no activities. It is there. However, still, some of the companies we are in touch and who knows, they will accept our request, and those orientation program students who have applied with paying the fees, their names and details have already been shared with them. And if any vacancies are there, and definitely they will come for online or virtual interview. So that is one of the reasons also that we have accepted a request and going to organize this 12 days program. So it will be great of you and you will be doing a great service if you can share the link with other known friends also, so that let them also benefit, right? Now number 2, coming to the forthcoming examination. Already we told the company secretaries have done a very good thing with hope. The other 2 institutes also will follow. Following good things is nothing wrong. It is not that who is first, second or third. Ultimately, everybody are with the students, for the students, and they have to do it. As I told in the previous video, before the month end, it has to be done and it will be done. I know your anxiety. Many members, many students, student friends have started writing and asking that, sir, one more last question, sir, one more last question. And you know, it was how many? 23, 24. Last question can be only one, na? But I can understand your anxiety. And some of the student friends, I feel really upset. I am actually upset when I am talking now also. Yes, we are also aware that the neighbors have got corona, student friends have got corona positive. Here and there in TV channel, this, that messages are coming daily, it is increasing. My only suggestion or first suggestion will be, kindly switch off those TV channels when they share something with regard to this COVID-19. Please switch off it. Second suggestion from my side is, for known ones or unknown ones, kindly pray for their recovery. We should in fact thank the doctors, the health department, government of India, government of various states and union territories, how nicely they are working. Many cases we are aware na, that positive corona after treatment have become negative and they are back home safe with the instruction to follow some quarantine and other things. Yes, I am not closing my eyes with regard to the inevitable that is happening. I agree. Why I request you to pray is for two reasons. One is you will pray for others. I am not telling go to temple, mosque, church or any other gurudwara. I am not telling that. But you can pray, na? When you pray for others, even the God will bless you that you are praying for others. And while praying, what will happen? You are honestly praying for others. So you will forget your own problems, your own issues, your own examination and so many other things. Both way advantage is there. Na? See, I am not only elected representative of the institute, I am representative of some other this thing also, social services we are doing. We are going to the hostel, we are going to the various house, even to the hospital to help the people who are really affected, discussing with the life insurance or other insurance authorities to help the patient with the payment of a substantial amount for that bill which they are incurring. I am not telling don't do like me or do like me. But for your age, you can avoid those things. We are forced to do that with self-discipline or with the discipline, obeying the instruction of the health authorities or doctors, maintaining the distance only we are serving. And I can understand. After doing all this is coming to my home, before going to bed, all these scenes and other things are coming in my mind. Especially the known ones, we think about their past good moments they have spent with me. If I can have all these problems, then you please tell me how it will not affect you also. It will really affect you. How to learn to forget, we don't know. We have to learn to forget also. That is there. But it is very difficult. But I am only requesting you that instead of worrying on all these things, kindly pray for them. Right? Judicious decision will be taken by the institute, all the institutes. All the three institute president, vice president, elected representatives are with you. And definitely there is no other go but other than going for postponement minimum. There is a procedure to call for a committee meeting, discuss, and then only decision will be taken, because we are all in. Balwinder Singh sir, honorable president of our institute, in fact told me that we are in touch with the MCA, HRD ministry, everybody. So we will take a suitable decision, right? Who is there to listen to us, sir? Like that, so many things you are writing also. Yes, don't have a feeling that you are not in the management committee or council or this or that. I am assuring you, all the elected representatives are raising their voice for the students and they are with the students. Because I am coming in the video, I am telling you, your voice is Papan Bhai's voice in the council or the committee meeting. I am making it very clear. Maybe with experience I will add some more points and some more ideas, some more suggestions for the appropriate authorities to take the decision. And majority decision only will prevail, and majority will be, or almost all, or everybody will be with you only. So please don't have any anxiety for that, right? Then third thing, some of our friends were asking that why don't you come live? I have told several times, na, I am ready. I am very much ready. Only thing is mutually convenient date, day and time we will decide, right? And you have every liberty to ask the question. If I know the answer, I will answer. If I don't know, definitely I will note each and every point, and at suitable time, appropriately, we will hear that as your voice in that particular forum, right? So please take care, don't have any anxiety. Kindly have some patience, wait for all the institute to come out with that decision which you are anxiously waiting for. So thank you very much once again. So we will meet. Yes, I have to tell like that, na? Break the chain, but not the relationship. Let us try to build up our relationship more and make it more and more stronger, so that we all understand each other and go ahead for the good. Thank you very much. Right? We will catch up again.